Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanics 757. You know how we get down. I'm at a 2006 Honda Accord. People are wondering how in the world do you set the clock. All you have to do is turn your key forward. You don't have to turn the car on. Hold down, it says clock right there. And just hold this button. The sound and the clock are the same. It'll start blinking. And if you want the minutes, you press number 5. If you want the hours, you press number 4, which is 11 over here, and then you press clock again, and there you have it. You just set your clock. This works on any Honda Accord with this complete setup right here. If you like these videos, please hit that subscribe button. Keep this information and the algorithms coming to get all this great information so people can save themselves time and money. And thank you for being wonderful subscribers. Thank you.